How to sign up in Google Chat for the first time. In this video, I will show you how can you easily sign up in Google Chat for the first time. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to use any of your web browser in your device. I'm using Google Chrome here, and in the search bar, we need to type Google Chat. Once you type it, hit the enter, and in results at the top you will see the official website of Google Chat. Simply click on the link. Once you click on it, Google Chat's official website will open in front of you. Now, even if you are opening Google Chat for the first time from your Chrome browser, if you are logged in with your Google account, you automatically will be connected to Google Chat using your web browser's account. But if you are not logged in with your Google account in your web browser, firstly you will see the login page when you click on the official website link of Google Chat, where you need to provide your email and password of the email. And that's it. That is how easily you can sign up in Google Chat for the first time. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.